Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly post a video file or a media file on Behance using the embed function or the video audio function or adding a prototype code. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Behance account as an administrator. So as you guys can see here, here's what my dashboard looks like. And here are all of my preferences and projects that I like to see. And the idea here is you would want to click on share your work. So the share your work button is on at the top right corner of the screen. So it's this one right here. And when you guys hover over this button, there should be a drop down with 4 different options for formats to choose from. So there's project, there's service, there's work in progress, and a live stream. Now, what you would want to opt for here is project, but if you want a more direct approach that doesn't require any configuration, you guys can visit your profile, and you can do so by hovering over the profile icon and going to your Behance profile and clicking on add new project. Now, actually, let me delete this real quick because we're going to start from scratch. So you could click on create a new project like so, and you'll be met with 8 different formats here, being image, text, photo grid, video, embed, and prototype, Lightroom, and 3D. Now, the one that you would want to opt for here is video and audio. And what this is going to do is it's going to pull assets directly from your assets library or your computer storage. So either way, it doesn't really matter, but that's pretty cool. So I'm going to upload a random video here. Choose this one. Now, it should show you a window of your file explorer for Windows where you get to choose the file and import it to Behance. And once that's done, you simply upload a video, hit OK, and let it process in HD, and you guys should be done. Now, the things that you can do with this is you can copy the link for it, you can generate an embed code for it, and do whatever you want with it. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.